The Galaxy Z Flip 4 is one of the best foldable phones to buy in 2023. But sadly this year, Samsung will not bring any significant improvements to the front-facing camera of the iconic clamshell foldable. Now the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will apparently have the same 10-megapixel selfie camera as its predecessor. In fact, the whole Flip series has had a 10-megapixel front-facing camera since its inception. So yeah, it's pretty much odd. But it should be mentioned that it is still not a major drawback because users can take selfies with the rear cameras and using the secondary cover screen, so it's no problem. And talking about the cover screen, there are rumors that the new Samsung foldable will have the biggest cover screen of any flip phones, about 3.5 inches in size in diagonal. And a new image came directly from Ice Universe this time. Now the image shows a folder-like shape for the cover screen, which we have already seen, and the leaker says this design is 100% confirmed design, and Samsung is actually working on the software to fit this slightly odd-shaped display right now. But then again, Samsung might use this part of the display to show like status bar things. Maybe that's the thing. Whatever is Samsung choosing to do with the cover screen, they will have to be fast, as the release date is really near. Now, another cool thing is that the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max are the first Apple phones to have always-on display. But unlike Samsung's Galaxy phones, the iPhones show a full-screen photo as always-on display. I mean, that's the default one. Now, a new rumor claims that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will have the same kind of always-on display as the iPhone 14 Pro on the cover screen. Now, that's not only it. Samsung will also be improving the hinge mechanism of both the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and its bigger brother, the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, if you want to know more about the Z Fold 5, you can check out my recent videos on that. I will link down below. Why the new hinge? Well, what it will do? Well, this is going to be a U-shaped hinge or water drop shaped hinge. Now, this hinge will allow the display to fold in a way that it will create a water drop shape inside the hinge when the device is folded. This will likely reduce the visibility of the crease and eliminate the gap that appears when the device is folded. Now, this is the same hinge you can also find inside the Oppo Find N2 Flip as well as the Motorola Razr devices. Now, not just that, both phones have already gone through the CCC, the China's compulsory certifications, where they are shown to support only 25-watt fast charging. I mean, I'm kind of done with the 25-watt now. And the charger model number is EPTA 800. Anyway, based on what we know so far, it doesn't look like the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 will have higher battery capacity either. The Z Flip 5 might even have a slightly smaller battery. I've already made a video on that. But that's not confirmed yet, as I said in the video as well. However, battery life shouldn't be a problem because Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset is gonna be there. Now, we are also hearing that Samsung could be holding its next Unpacked event in the last week of July, confirming previous rumors that suggested Galaxy foldables will come earlier than usual. Now, if you don't know, Samsung usually has its second big Unpacked event in August every single year. So this would definitely be a significant change, though perhaps not a completely unexpected one. But just like every single time, I will definitely let you guys know when I found out anything more on this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.